Here's a step-by-step guide on how to install coilovers if someone has no idea what they're doing. Step 1, order coilovers. Step 2, get coilovers delivered. This is the easiest part. And step 3, remove all the old bolts for the old shocks with no issues at all. No issues and no highlight. Now step 3 is suffering and regretting your life decisions that got you here, because you thought it'd be a great idea to put new coilovers on your car. You have no impact gun in the middle of -1 degrees winter, and now you have work tomorrow and your car is all disassembled and you don't know what to do. Step 4. Crash and tweak the fuck out and realize you wasted your whole day, you made no progress, your car doesn't work, and now you have work tomorrow morning, and guess what? It's so cold that you're not even thinking of taking your motorcycle to work. Step 5. Research and planning. After calming down for your tweaking out session, you realize you could have done a bit more research and you plan for the next day. Step 6. After doing your research, you actually find a way to take out the shocks, and now your car is fully drivable again. Sort of. You did the front half, you haven't done the rear half yet. Step 7. You usually put in your rear shocks with no problem, and both of your 17mm sockets broke. And to top all off, those are the only 17mm you had. Yeah, you. Step 8, you get a Chinese Ooga Dooga and hope it does the job. And also hope it doesn't strip out your rear bowl. Apparently it'll strip a lot. And step 9, Christ, we're on step 9. And step 9, use your Chinese Ooga Dooga and it works, and you get your rear shocks out. And then you have to do the left one.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
One's a fucking bitch. The axles, the bolts down there, and all this shit is in the way. So I'll probably have to undo it all. I'm done. Took some effort, but I can put this one back in. And after all your labor, you're finally on step 10. You finally have coilovers on all struts of your car, and it's finally lowered. Kinda. You still need to readjust some parts, and the front's kind of scraping a bit, and the rear is a bit too high, but you can lower it. But point is, you have your coilovers, and you feel cool, and you feel like you can play songs like this in your car now.
Wake up in this truck under the bed like a monster.
On the real though, I know my car ain't ready for these audios until it gets some like baller ass rims on them. And yeah, so that took me like 3 days or something to put on the coilovers, and a lot of cussing and swearing, and I cut my hand a lot of times, but I'm glad I did it myself. I remember a lot of people in like one of the posts I made that were saying, yo, don't work in your car, this is why you shouldn't work in your car, why you taking so long. But I feel like them people, y'all was wrong in the car community, because y'all be the same people saying like, oh, you take your car to the shop, you're not a car guy, but hate on people like me trying to figure out work on their car. To me, I don't judge if anyone struggles the way I did or even worse, and I'm not a mechanic. I say if you're willing to work in your car in the first place, that's always a good first step to becoming a car guy, and I'm glad I did it. Car looks cool, and it's ready for more stuff I'm gonna put on it, like the bumper and spoiler. And I also just want to say thank you to like all the people who like weren't really assholes about me struggling. And hearing some of y'all's stories saying like, oh yeah, a difficult time too, made me feel a bit more better about struggling. So just want to say that.